So I'm not in my truck. I just washed it and I don't want to move it. So tomorrow there's a big car show, and I feel weird because it's kind of shooting up my nose. But tomorrow's a big car show. We've done it 2 years in a row, and 1 year we were supposed to be in it. We didn't attend because the truck broke down. So this year we're in it again. We have to be up early though to make sure that we've got our spot, and that means leaving at 4 a.m. So we got to be there by 5, and from there we have to set up and all that stuff. So last year there's roughly about 2,000 people that 2,000 vehicles there. I don't know how many people attended. I would imagine a lot. So it's one of the largest shows in North America. So we're getting ready for that. I just picked up some drinks and stuff for Cayden and I for tomorrow, and I'm gonna throw them in the cooler of the truck so that they're ready for tomorrow. So here we go. So we're still in the staging area. We left at 3 a.m. Actually, no, we woke up at 3 a.m. We left at 4 a.m. Went to McDonald's. No one's there. We went to gas stations, closed. The other gas station closed. Finally went to McDonald's. Had to wait like 10 minutes. Oh, the other one was closed too. There's no one that answered. So we went to 2 McDonald's, 24/7. These things are supposed to be open. Finally found one open to grab some sort of food. It is now 6:06. We're waiting to be sent in to start lining up for the car show, but I don't know. It seems to be a little disorganized this year. Traffic's backed up way up the road. In the meantime, we're waiting. I guess somebody forgot to direct traffic, so they were all piled up down one of the other streets. So it's now filling up in here.